I am an engineer. Is it a data? But it's not numbers.
Any information which can be updated.
Yes, computer people say data is raw information. Information which is there in its raw format is data. If I write this word 100, Saurabh, what do you think of this word 100? First thoughts? Number. Shunandita? It has two zeros. Sanita? Century. Less than 150. Saurabh, Kapil?
State is 100, I can say.
100, all right. Now, if I say this, am I qualifying the data?
Upper limit.
So, what is 100? 100 is marks, right. Now, if I say this, so the context changes. So, what I am trying to say is just the number itself is of no significance, unless you know what is the context to that information. Are we clear? 100%, everyone can say I am getting 100 out of 100, 100%, cent percent, it could be marks. Let us see this. So, see 3 steps of information gives this 100 a context. Are we clear? So, when we are looking at data, one of the key things we have to see is we need to look at the data in terms of just not what is there, but in context to what it is. Okay. See how the data is being built up. This 100 is 100 marks out of 200 total marks, which makes Manish the 15th rank holder out of a class strength of 25. He could have been 15th out of 15. He could have been 15 out of 20, he could have been 15 out of 17. Once I say this, then at least the information is complete. Are we clear? So, when you look at data, you have to see and drill down to the extent where you can get what we call the complete picture. Clear? I'll give you more examples as we go along. So, data is always contextual. That is point number 1 that I want to mention. You know, data analysis unfortunately is not like Google search. In Google, what do? You type out what you want and Google throws up the answers, possible answers. In data analysis, you cannot do that. You cannot type in a query and the analysis will not come to you, unless you are typing in the query in a program already built to give you analysis. What we use normally in our day to day lives is where you cannot just type in your query and the search appears. So, it is different from a Google search. Are we clear? Let us look at the steps for data analysis. How do we, what are the steps that we follow? The first thing that you need to ask yourself is what is the objective of this data analysis? Why do you want to analyze this data? Do you think it is important? It could be that I am analyzing the data, I am just listed out 2 or 3, there are many more, to defend our proposition, which is, let us say I want to prove that in the Indore market, Nai Duniya should be considered by a particular brand. So, I am defending my proposition. It could be to formulate a strategy, that at this moment we are only at 93% of our targets. I am looking at data to see what can I do to achieve 100%, formulate a strategy. It could be to appraise a situation or person, to evaluate the performance of a person or to appraise the situation. A client has asked for a ridiculously low rate. I am looking at my data as to can I give him that rate, should I ask for more, what should be my strategy. So, you are appraising a situation. What I am trying to say is the entire process begins by you specifying your objective of data analysis. Depending on what your objectives are, the subsequent steps could differ. All right.